Hey all, welcome to Code Tech Facts. In the last video, we have seen how to create a starter kit in Express.js using the TypeScript and ESLinting for lint and Prettier for the code formatter, Winston Logger for logger. And the port in the last video, we have checked that the port number we have hard coded, but we need to change the port numbers, database informations and other configuration related to a configuration file. There are a lot of packages for handling the configuration file. It's nodeconfig or endconf or .env. These are the popular configuration packages available in NPM. In this video, we are going to use the endconf for the configuration. The endconf I am using with the JSON based file. For that, I have to install with the packages endconf, and endconf typing is type/endconf. I have added both the packages here, and I need some of the environments, like I have to set the node environment. So I am using the CrossEnv. Then why we need the CrossEnv? The CrossEnv helps to set the environment in the scripting itself. Here I have created two scripting. One is for start for the dev environment and another is for the prod environment. This remains the same. Before that, I have used CrossEnv node environment equal to production, and this is node environment equal to development. Based on this parameter, I can select the configuration file. If it is a development, I can choose the development JSON, or if it is a production, I can choose the production environment. The next step, I have created a configuration interface and the JSON file for the each environment and a configuration class. The configuration class will help us to load the configuration in JSON files and other logicals. Let's start with the interface. Interface, I have ordered all the properties which is available in the JSON. One is port and the node environment info. Info has multiple properties. I have included with any. If needed, you can add another interface and you can mention here. And the configuration JSON I have added in the root folder. Why I have added in the root folder? It will help us to copy while we are adding it in the build folder, or if you are going with the learner or something with the monorepo, it will be helpful if it is in the root folder. You can see that I have added default, development and production. What's the default? If I have multiple environments, say for example, I have development, cost, production or some other environments, UAT, some of the fields may be same for all the environments. I don't want to make every copy in the configurations. The port number, whether it is a development environment or production environment, UAT, the port number remains constant with 5000. So I can add it in the default. I don't want to make it in each copies. And the development, it has their unique values. That's the info, name, version, environment. Later on, we can add with the database information and some other information. For testing, I have added this information. And in production, info, name, version, environment, it's with the different values. I have not added the port number because in the dev and production, I am going to use the 5000 as my port number. The next one is configuration class. I have added the logo and imported the endconf here. Next one is the configuration. In the constructor, I am initializing the value. The endconf has a memory, inbuilt memory, so that it no need to reload the file each and every time. So I am using endconf of memory. If the get method of info, that's a root file I am checking, it's the file is already loaded or not. If the file is not loaded, then get the file. So what's the gets file is doing? I need to get the node environment. After getting the node environment only, I am able to load the specific file. So the endconf is provided with a .env, which will load our node environment variables. That's the keys and values, and it will be in the keypad. I don't want all the variables. So I have specified I need only node env. If you need multiple values, you can add it in the array strings. After loading the node environment, add the file. That's the default is the name. That's a string value for loading the default JSON. The file name is default.json. The directory is env and the type is JSON. Search is equal to true means it will search for the file. After loading the file, I will get the environment variable. The file name is nconf.get. It will return all the values from the default.json and followed by the node environment variables. So here I am using nconf.get node env. It will be here, right? What I have mentioned is production, development. The file name is same as this. You can check it, development and production. After that, I have added with .json. nconf.filename, directory is env and the type is JSON. So it will load the development or production file. After loading our configuration, I have assigned it to the configuration variable conf.get. This get will retrieve environment variable, default configuration and the environment specific configuration file. After that, I am checking with the required of port. Why we need this? We have managing with the multiple configuration files, right? So it may have a situation like we can mistake required information. That's a required configuration. Say for example, it may use the database. We can miss the database informations or user informations or service account information. So it's best to verify that nconf.required, the required key is available in the configuration file or not. I'm using conf.required of port. The port is available, so it will not throw any error. It starts working like this. If I changed with port A, it will throw an error, missing required keys. The missing required key is port A, so that we can check and add that key information in the configuration file. I'm changing with port. The next step is we have to add it in our Express. Before that, I have added an index file in the config folder. That will have the config and the configuration manager. I have imported both the files here. Created an object private config. It will return the config interface. This .config equal to configure manager dot. I need to get the config. It's a property I have added here. Public get config. It will return the config interface. Return this .configurations. Where is the port number? Here. So the port number we have changed with port equal to this port equal to and server.listen of the port number from the configuration, and I'm printing the logger using this .config.node environment, which environment listening port at the port number. So while checking it, I have executed with the const.prod. So production listen port equal to 5000. While you refresh, it will show the value. Let's change our environment. npm start. Cross env node environment equal to development. So it will hold the development. Here Express started development. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please add it in your comment. If you like the video, please subscribe and share the video with your friends. See you soon in the next video.